this video, I explain you the definition set by the Tom Mitchell about machine learning, and also will decode exactly his definition about machine learning is. Before going to the further about this famous personality, Tom Mitchell, let me say briefly about this person is. He is a person wrote the book of machine learning, and the same book is following as a prescribed book in many of the universities in our world. And Tom Mitchell is a professor at Carnegie Mellon University, and he is a person founded the world's first machine learning department. His research uses machine learning to develop computers that are learning to read the web and uses brain imaging to study how the human brain understands what it reads. He believes conversational machine learning will be the most significant new thrust in machine learning over the coming decade. Mitchell is a member of the US National Academy of Engineering, a member of the American Academy of Arts and Sciences, and a fellow and past president of the Association for the Advancement of Artificial Intelligence. He is interested in societal impacts of computer science, recently co-chaired a US national academic study on information technology, automation, and the workforce, and recently testified to the Congregational Research Service on impacts of AI on society. He said the definitions about machine learning. The first definition is said it is the study of computer algorithms that allow computer programs to automatically improve through experience. Let's see the second definition. What did he say? This is the definition we need to decode further to understand the definition set by the Tom Mitchell. The computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some task T and some performance measure P if its performance on T as measured by P improves with experience E. So what these words are all about is called. Let's see one by one with some few examples. Then it is possible for us to understand his definition is. What did he say is, it improves here now, any machine learning algorithm is possible to improve on task T with respect to performance metric P based on experience E. So here now there are three words are very important for us: T, P, as well as E. So T here now called a task, and P for performance, E for experience. Let's see example to understand this particular sentence, what it is saying for us. There is a sentence called awesome. Here written by handwritten, awesome is, machine should understand this particular word is. The task for here now is called recognizing handwritten words. So my system should understand this word. So the task is recognizing handwritten words. And here now the P is performance. How do you measure the performance? There is some metric is required for us. There is a metric required to measure the performance. In this case, percentage of words correctly classified. How many words have been classified exactly is a performance here. And the D is what they call experience. All experience here now we are storing in the data file or in the database, and we are using the images, database of human labeled images of the handwritten words. So there you are putting a label for each and every image. Based on that is called, machine comes to know that once it found a particular word and it compares that word with the already given the label on the image. If both are same, it is coming, its experience getting, and next time it perform the same type of the processes. So now in this definition, to understand it, the example is used that is called awesome. And here now recognizing handwritten words is the first task for us. With respect to performance metric, P means percentage of words correctly classified, and database of human labeled images of handwritten words is the E. Next, see the one more example. In this example, playing checkers is the task for us. So machine plays the checkers game here. So in this one task is playing, and performance is possible here now called percentage of games won. Here metric is how many times it has won against arbitrary opponent is. And also here experience is possible playing the practice games as much as possible against other human being or itself is. Machine plays on its own with some other opponent, and coming to the experience here now. This is another example of understanding the Tom Mitchell definition is. Let's see third definition in understanding of this one is. In this one category here now, what do you have is called categorize the email messages as spam or legitimate. There are various mails comes out. The task is to specify which type of mail it is. It can be a spam mail or a non-spam mail. So we need to categorize it. And it is possible for us here now by using the classifications. How much percentage of email messages correctly classifying is the performance. And database consists of emails, some with human given labels. Human is giving some labels for that one and is able to categorize it. Let's see one more example. This is the 4-lane here now. Driving on 4-lane highways using vision sensors is the task. And performance is average distance traveled before a human judged error is. Human judged error, how much distance is traveled without any disturbances. And here now experiences a sequence of images and steering commands recorded while observing a human driver is. Well, whenever human driver is running, it records each and every thing is images and also recording the entire process, and it's coming to know wherever we have disturbance are there, it is taking the images so that it comes to know this one through performance and perform the task is. Hope so that you understood about this particular definition of the Tom Mitchell is. Thank you very much.